How to reach your customers on their mobile devices. Mobile devices like the iPhone and iPad are experiencing explosive growth with no sign of slowing down anytime soon. One of the biggest impacts this is having is how people access the internet. Far more of them are using these devices than ever before, and it's important that you adjust your online marketing plan to meet their needs. In this article, we're going to look at 3 ways that you can reach your customers via mobile devices. SMS messaging. SMS, or text messages, is a relatively new medium for staying in touch with your customers, but it's also one of the most effective, for the moment at least. If you have your customers opt in to receive text messages from you, it gives you the opportunity to send them promotions, new product announcements, and various other pieces of information. And these messages can be sent on extremely short notice, so you can use them strategically to generate more profit for your business. For example, if you owned a restaurant and you were having a slower than normal week, you could send a text messages to your customer on Wednesday morning offering them a free appetizer with any meal that they ordered that night. The message would be delivered immediately and would quite likely generate additional business that you wouldn't otherwise have had. Email. Email isn't strictly a mobile technology, but more and more people are using these devices to read their email. It's important that you get your customers to subscribe to your email list so you can send them information this way as well. You can send similar things as with SMS marketing, but email tends not to get read as quickly, so it's not as effective for extremely time-sensitive information. The big advantage it does have, however, is the low cost. Whether you send an email to 10 people or 500 people, it really doesn't cost you any more. Social media. Social media sites like Twitter and Facebook are also very popular with mobile internet users. In fact, almost 50% of the over 800 million active Facebook users access the site through a mobile device of some sort. By maintaining a presence on these sites for your business, you'll have yet another way to stay in touch with your customers and reach new ones as well. The more opportunities you give your customers to interact with you, the better. They all have different preferred contact methods, and you want to give them as many to choose from as possible.